Hello and welcome. Today I'm sharing the pattern for a flat skirt. For this project you'll need a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, a pair of scissors and a glue. Start by drawing a rectangle that's 1/4 of your waist measurement by the length of the skirt and making the length 60 cm. Divide the rectangle in 4 parts, number each part. Cut the 4 strips. On another sheet of paper, paste strip number 1. This is going to be the center of the skirt. From this point, mark 5 inches or 10.3 centimeters. From this point, mark the half of 5 inches, that is 2.5 inches or 5.15 centimeters. Take your second strip and paste it next to the points we just marked. Again marked 5 inches from this point, and on the top mark 2.5 inches from this point. Paste strip number 3. Do the same for strip number 4. From this point, trace a line that's 2.5 inches and match these points. Harmonize these lines a little so it won't look too square. For the waist, draw a rectangle that's the waist measurement by 8 centimeters. Divide the rectangle in 2, that is 4 and 4, so that you can fill the waist when sewing. From this point, mark 2 centimeters outwards. This is where the buttonhole should be. Mark 1 centimeter seam allowance all around. This is how the draft looks like finished. Now let's mark the notches. Draw 2 on the top part to mark where to gather, 1 on the hip and hem, the front cut by 1 and on the fold, the back cut by 2. Draw notches on the waist part to mark the gathers, hip and hem. At 2 centimeters from the edge, mark the notch for the zipper and at 20 centimeters down. The waist has 1 centimeter seam allowance, the side 1.5 centimeters and the hem 2 or 3 centimeters. The center back has 2 centimeters seam allowance for the zipper. On the waist, mark the center notches to know where to fold the fabric and mark the notches for the part of the buttonhole. These are the patterns finished. Thank you for watching. See you in the sewing process video. Goodbye.